In this video, we will learn how to use Pikzels AI in 2026 and avoid one common setup mistakes that can waste your credits before you even create your first great thumbnails. So Pikzels AI is a YouTube packaging platform that helps creators generate thumbnails, recreate successful thumbnail styles, analyze designs, and create a click-worthy titles using artificial intelligence. Unlike general AI image generators, Pikzels is designed specifically for YouTube creators who want to improve their thumbnails and overall video packaging. Before generating your first thumbnail, take a few minutes to set up your account properly. This simple step can save you both time and credits later. Once you are logged in, you'll see tools such as Prompt, Recreate, Analyze, Edit, Title, Personas, and Styles. So each tool serves a different purpose, so it is important to know when to use each one instead of experimenting randomly. Since Pikzels uses credit system, every generation or AI actions consumes credits. Now, let's talk about the setup error that wastes the most credits. Many beginners start generating thumbnails immediately without creating a clear plan. They enter short prompts, generate multiple versions, then keep regenerating because the results aren't what they expected. So instead, spend a few minutes planning your thumbnails first, write down your video topic, identify the main subject, decide what emotion you want viewers to feel, and think about the background and text before generating anything. A detailed prompt usually produces a better results and reduces unnecessary generations. If your subscriptions includes personas, create your AI persona carefully. Use clear, high-quality photos with consistent lighting and appearance. Uploading inconsistent photos can produce inconsistent results, which may lead you to retrain your persona and spend additional credits. Pikzels recommends uploading reference photos once so your persona can be reused across future thumbnails. So the same applies to styles. So instead of creating a new style for every project, train a style that matches your channel's branding. Once it's set up correctly, you can reuse it across future thumbnails to maintain consistency and reduce extra work. Another helpful feature is Recreate. If you find a thumbnail format that performs well, you can use the Recreate tools to study its layouts and adapt the structures to your own content instead of starting from scratch every time. So before clicking the generate repeatedly, remember that each thumbnail's generation typically costs credits, and additional features like personas and styles analysis and editing also consumes credits. So planning your workflow before generating thumbnails helps you use those credits much more efficiently. So finally, don't expect your first AI-generated thumbnails to be perfect. Use the first generation as a starting point, then make target edits instead of generating complete new thumbnails over and over again. This approach usually produces better results while using fewer credits. A little preparation before you begin can make your thumbnails creation process faster, more consistent, and far more cost-effective. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.